Fort Lauderdale is a city on the move. It's the largest city in the second most populated county in the state of Florida. We're home to just short of 200,000 people with visitors in the millions. A lot of what we deal with as local government is quality of life issues. We treat wastewater. We make sure that the roads are passable. There's a lot that goes into delivering services that the people sort of come to expect.
We have approximately 1,700 vehicles, street sweepers, vac jetters, police, fire. One of the key roles for fleet is to make sure the vehicles are operating and ready for service.
And what Samsara does is it gives us the opportunity to get real-time data, to be a more efficient operation, and to provide those services to the public.
Samsara has allowed us to really look at the data. Nothing's hard to understand. It's just clean, quick, easy. It's not a burden to look through it.
We can see performance, we can see engine idle time, we can see hours on the actual vehicle, miles on the vehicle.
We're able to tell when a street sweeper has its brooms down and when it has its brooms up. And so that's been able to tell us exactly when a street sweeper is cleaning versus when it's just moving from one location to another. Samsara gives us better metrics on when we're actually providing the service that we're intending to provide.
If a vehicle's here in the shop, it's not a good thing. They need to be out on the road, working, helping the city. Samsara has allowed us to really be proactive on the maintenance. We know when the check engine lights are coming on, when there's issues, and we can get these vehicles in early and make sure we're handling the issues right away. We've actually reduced our downtime 28% and reduced the number of vehicles in the shop by 24%.
We're really trying to incorporate sustainability into our overall culture. In the past, fleet's really been the owner of reducing the carbon footprint related to fuel. Now that we have this dashboard, each department can now see exactly how they are contributing to that reduction. We've been able to reduce idle time 20% over the last 6 months and save roughly 28,000 gallons of diesel and gasoline.
Collecting good data is important in making decisions on how we deliver services. When we start to deal with public funds, it's tremendously important to make sure that they're spent wisely. A connected city brings all the pieces together, and when all the pieces are together, then we're not duplicating efforts. And when we're not duplicating efforts, we're more efficient, and when we're more efficient, people are happier.
The job of the city as a whole is to help our community evolve in a strategic way so that we can be the community of tomorrow.